Commander Brown, Detroit Urban Survival Training. Today we're joined by
Ben Sandstrom, Storm Training and Consulting.
Okay, today you're going to share with us some medical treatment for wound care.
That's correct. This is going to be for, you've got a bleed that's going to be high up in your arm, in your shoulder area, in your neck, or high up in your leg, in your hip area. That's going to be actually too high to put a tourniquet on, because a tourniquet is going to be our #1 way to stop bleeding for an appendage.
So that means you can put a tourniquet on the arms and legs, but you can't put it here, right? So this is very important information, because a lot of times people are shot or injured in this area. So this is what you would do to help preserve life.
100%. And we're gonna avoid the chest and belly area, but it's gonna be the big vessels up here. We have huge vessels side of your neck here, and then the vessels right here up in your hip area are very, very big, right? Mm-hmm. First thing we do is direct pressure. So I'll have you go ahead and put some good direct pressure down there, and maintaining that direct pressure. As you're holding that heavy direct pressure downwards, I need to go ahead and I need to pack this wound. So I'm gonna grab some packing gauze. Preferably I'm gonna grab something that has a hemostatic agent in it. And this is a simulated one by TrueClot. I'm going to open this stuff up, and basically it's gauze that's impregnated with a clotting material. I'll get a couple of these prepped up so I can pack them inside of this wound. And
this will help stop the bleeding, because it's better than regular gauze because it actually has the anticoagulant in it, or the coagulant in it.
100%. So I got to move your hands out of the way.
Okay.
And I'm going to start aggressively packing inside of this wound. Mm-hmm. And as you see, I'm packing inside the wound. I'm keeping pressure inside the wound as I'm doing it. I'm going to keep packing all the way around in 360-degree fashion. I'm going to pack until this wound is completely filled. Continue to pack it, keeping that pressure, making sure that that bleeding has stopped. If I got some extra stuff on top, that's great. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that heavy direct pressure back on top. We're going to maintain that direct pressure. We're going to put a pressure dressing on top and make sure that that bleeding has stopped. This is how you deal with this. Before you do it, get professional training, learn how to do this. This is how you're going to save a life.
And your company does that, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, your company name?
Storm Training and Consulting.
Storm Training and Consulting. So this is something they certify people for, training people, both law enforcement and civilian.
That's correct.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
This intelligent information will save your life.